Welcome, little adventurers, to story time. Today we're soaring through the sky with a tiny creature who has big dreams. Buckle up, because we're about to meet Benny, the boldest butterfly. Benny wasn't your average butterfly. Unlike his siblings who flitted between flowers near the comfortable milkweed patch, Benny dreamt of grand adventures beyond the meadow. He longed to explore the whispering willows by the river and the mysterious mountains that peeked in the distance. One sunny morning, as Benny basked on a bright yellow dandelion, a gentle breeze whispered through the meadow. It carried the tales of faraway lands and hidden waterfalls. Benny's wings fluttered with excitement. He had to see these wonders for himself. "Come on, Benny," his brother chirped. "Let's play hide-and-seek amongst the flowers." But Benny shook his head. "I can't stay here today," he declared. "I'm going on an adventure." His siblings gasped. An adventure, but beyond the meadow, is scary. There are unknown bugs and strong winds. Benny, however, was undeterred. He spread his colourful wings and took off, soaring higher than he ever had before. The world stretched out before him, a vast and beautiful landscape. He flew over fields of wildflowers, vibrant with colours and buzzed with happy bees. He skimmed the surface of a crystal-clear stream, watching playful fish darting beneath the water. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind swept Benny off course. He tumbled through the air, feeling scared and lost. Tears welled up in his tiny eyes. He wished he had listened to his siblings. Just then, a wise old ladybug named Luna spotted him. "Don't worry, little one," she said gently. "The wind can be a trickster, but it can also be a helpful friend." Luna then pointed towards a tall sunflower, its head swaying gently in the breeze. Benny, clinging to a blade of grass, followed Luna's gaze. He understood. He could use the wind's current to navigate back to the meadow. With newfound courage, Benny spread his wings and caught the wind. He soared effortlessly, feeling the wind guide him back towards familiar territory. He even managed to explore a bit further, dipping his toes, his proboscis in the cool water of the river. Finally, Benny spotted the comforting sight of the milkweed patch and his worried siblings. He landed softly on a flower, his heart filled with joy and accomplishment. From that day on, Benny continued to be adventurous, but he also learned the importance of caution and navigating with the help of the wind. He shared his stories with his siblings, inspiring them to dream a little bigger and explore a little further. See, everyone, even the smallest creature can achieve great things with a little courage and resourcefulness. So next time you see a gentle breeze, remember, it might just be a friendly friend waiting to help you on your next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. Until next time, happy exploring.